If you are looking for easy strategy with indicators, we will learn such strategy easily. We have created a system by combining two indicators that are perfectly matched for each other. If you want to receive signals from this strategy for free, all you need to do is watch this video until the end, and before moving on the content, please like the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe so that we can reach more subscribers as soon as possible. Now let's quickly go through how to set up our strategy and get signals for free. First of all, when we examine our strategy, we can see that we used two indicators and created a single system with them. When used correctly, this system eliminates lots of false signals of each other. The logic of the system works like this. The indicator below determines the last signals of the rise or fall, and indicator above confirms it before the price moves. In other words, when the lower indicator gives a rise signal, the upper indicator tells us before the prices rise. We enter the trade at the best point where the lower indicator's false signals are filtered by our upper indicator, and we use this system for Bitcoin USD and use it on 4-hour time frames. But I think it is working on 5 minutes too, as you can see here. Now let's go through how to set up this system and how to get signals for free. Let's go to the Indicators tab. In the search bar, type Smoothed Heiken Ashi Candles. This indicator. The feature of the upper indicator is that it gives us transition signals. When the lower indicator gives rise or fall signals, the upper indicator confirms it and tells us the end of these signals. In this way, we get our most successful signals. And now our chart is Heiken Ashi Candles. After integrating the first indicator, go to its settings. Style section remains the same, and inputs change the values as 4 and 4. The first indicator is now ready. Now let's integrate the second indicator, WaveTrend with crosses, LazyBear. We add this indicator to our chart. This WaveTrend indicator helps us identify market bottoms and tops. Its working principle is straightforward. The lines below indicates an uptrend, and if it goes below the green lines or between them or near this zone, it signals a rise. Conversely, if these lines go above the red lines or between them or near them, it signals a fall. After integrating the second indicator, go to its settings, keep the default values in the input section. In the style section, you can adjust the appearance of the lines and colors if you prefer. After configuring both indicators, save the settings, select your asset, choose the time frame, and integrate the indicators into your charts. Now the system is ready. To get signals, look for alignment between the two indicators. For a buy signal, the upper indicators should be in red, indicating a potential upward movement, and the WaveTrend indicator should have the line below the green lines or near these lines. Then wait for the confirmation of the first green candle on the Heiken Ashi chart. Let me hide it. I wait for the confirmation of the first green candle on the indicator, and for a sell signal the upper indicator should be in green, indicating a potential downward movement, and the WaveTrend indicator should have the line above this red line or near this red line. and we wait for the confirmation of the first red candle on the indicator. Remember to wait for the candle close before taking action, as prices may change direction before the candle closes. Additionally, if Heiken Ashi candles also show green or red signals, it adds an extra confirmation to our system. In conclusion, this system works effectively for both upward and downward trends, providing clear signals for potential trades. Let me show the examples to you. Here, indicator above is in green, and the line of the second indicator is above this red line. I wait for the confirmation in the first red candle here, and for example I take the position here, put the stop above the previous high, and I can make the risk reward ratio 2R. If you risk 1R per trade, you should wait 2R in your profit. As you can see here, the candles of the first indicator are red, and the second indicator also confirms this signal because these lines you see here above the below line. I wait for the confirmation in the first green candle here and take position. You can also see here the same situation. Make sure to backtest the system and observe its performance before using it with real account, because it doesn't mean that it will always work perfectly. These indicators also give false signals, and you should expect this because no indicator or strategy will give you 100% guaranteed signals. And no matter how accurate the indicator or strategy is, or how much experience you have, losing trades are always part of trading. I hope this explanation helps you understand the strategy better. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any part of the strategy, feel free to ask in the comments section. Remember that successful trading requires practice, discipline, and continuous learning. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell so you can informed about my new videos. See you in the next video. Good luck.